Now this is a look. In this video, I'm going to be comparing 5 different Urban Decay lip liners and showing you guys how lip liner can really change the look of your lipstick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you are new here, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also hit the bell notifications, that way you'll get notified whenever I post. If you like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, it really helps me out. I've spoken about Urban Decay several times on my channel. It is one of my favorite makeup brands, so in today's video, I thought it would be fun to compare and contrast, well, I guess, I don't know, compare 5 different Urban Decay lip liners and show how that really changes the look of your lipstick. Also, I did just post a lip liner tutorial for beginners that I will link for you guys. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. So if you want to see the 5 different lip liners that I used, make sure you keep on watching. I'm going to start by doing swatches and showing you the different lip liners that I'm going to be using in this video. So this clear one is Ozone. The next step to it is Naked. Then we have, this is 1993, this is Blackmail, and then this is Rush. So I'm just going to do those swatches really quick. As I mentioned, this is clear, this is Ozone, but I will go ahead and show you guys, like, literally, ooh, whoops. It's just clear, you know. But it still would be beneficial because hopefully this would help with the longevity of your lipstick, and it obviously, since this is clear, is going to be the true color of your lipstick. The next, the lightest, like most neutral shade I have is Naked. So that's swatched right there. So I'm gonna do lightest to darkest. The next one is Rush. Just kind of like a mauve. It's similar to Naked, but as you can see, it is deeper. The next one, and probably my favorite one, is 1993. This has been in at least one favorite. I feel like it's been in a couple at this point. That's this brown one right here. I really love that shade. And then the last one is Blackmail. This is the darkest one that I have. It's a very dark maroon shade. So first off, I'm going to line all of my lips, both my lips. I'm going to line my lips with Ozone. Oh, and then the lipstick that we're using is also Urban Decay, and this is the shade Carnal. Yes. It's a comfort matte finish, and it looks like that all alone with no lip liner. So as I mentioned, first off, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Ozone, and I'm just using this Tarte palette as my mirror because I need a mirror that's closer up. And also for all of the lip liners, I'm gonna line them and then fill them in. I'm gonna go over top of that with the lipstick. So this is what the lipstick looks by itself, how it looks by itself rather. I'm just gonna kind of get close so you can see it in its truest form, and we will be comparing them to the other lip liners, obviously. And then for the remaining 4 lip liners, I am going to do one half with one lip liner and the other half with a different lip liner so you can really compare them and see them side by side, hopefully see a difference. So for this half, I am going to use the lip liner Naked, which, as I mentioned, I feel like this matches my lips fairly well. And then for the other half, I'm going to use Rush, which, as I mentioned, is similar, but it is a little bit darker. Here are the lip liners side by side without any lipstick on it. I feel like you can see the difference. This is Rush, this is Naked. And now I'm going to apply the lipstick over top so you can see the difference then, because you really, this is, I feel like, a little bit more of a subtle difference than the other 2 will be, but I think you can still tell a difference. So you can't tell a difference as much whenever you put the lipstick over the top, but I think that you can still tell a difference. As I mentioned, this is with the lip liner Naked, and then this is, wait, no. This is with the lip liner Naked, and then this is with the lip liner Rush. So I'll get a little bit closer so you can see the difference. Lastly, I'm going to go in with this side with 1993, and then I'm going to go in with this side with Blackmail. So I just kind of lightly filled in this side with Blackmail. I realized that it's not completely filled in, but once I put the lipstick over top of it, it will kind of be a uniform color. So this is Blackmail. This is with 1993 without the lipstick. Now I will go ahead and apply the shade Carnal over top of that. Now this is a look. This is with 1993, and then this is with Blackmail. And as I mentioned, you can definitely tell the most difference between the two with this look. Now, let me get close so you can kind of see the difference, which I feel like you can see regardless of if I'm close or not. So this still does look very plum and purple, but as I mentioned, putting a lipstick over top of it kind of does make it look all over uniform. The shade, the lip liner with 1993 is probably my favorite look. As I mentioned, I just love the shade in 1993 in general. Anyway, I'm almost done filming. Can you give me like 2 more minutes? I'm gonna go ahead and do my outro with this like lipstick combination. Hopefully it's not too super distracting. That completes my video for today. What was your favorite lip liner shade? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, I wanted to remind you guys that I do have a free beginner course that will be the first to link in the description box. I share with you guys the benefits of moisturizer and primer. It's completely free, and I just really walk you through the basics, and I hope you find it helpful. As I mentioned, it will be the first link in the description box down below. Also, feel free to subscribe. I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.